Okay, so today we're going to be talking about explicit and implicit evidence. We're going to be focusing on RI, which means Reading Informational Standard 6.1. So the first thing I need you to do is watch this video. You could just click right here and it'll play. Now I also put here, because different learners need different things, some examples about explicit and implicit text evidence. So we know explicit text evidence is clearly stated. You get it directly from the text. There's no confusion. There's no questions. It's right there. So the first example I have is it was a bright and sunny day. It's telling us, yes, the day was bright. Yes, it was sunny. There's no questions. There's no concerns. It tells us right there. Now, implicit text evidence is implied. When I think of implicit text evidence, I also like to think of, and you need to make an inference. Fixing that. And we know that an inference is a prediction based on what you're reading in the text. Fix that color. So it's not clearly stated. So here, the example I have is yellow light streamed out of the windows and woke Martin up. Now, it's not saying it was sunny, but they're giving us that clue. Yellow light. It streamed out of the windows. It woke Martin up. So you can make an inference and say, oh, it's sunny. Now, after that, you're going to read this text called Mac and Cheese Mania. And you see how it has type here boxes? That's because you got your own copy. So you're going to read it, and then you're going to answer here. So it says, what contributed? And that word contribute means to add on to the popularity, why something is popular, why something is well known, of macaroni and cheese in the United States. So one says, write your answer here to the question above. Oops. So you're going to put it in edit mode. You'll click and you can type in your answer. Here it says one piece of text evidence that supports your answer. So whatever you answer here, you're going to find evidence from the text that supports it, and then why the evidence supports your answer. Now after that, you're going to fill out this read and response nonfiction graphic organizer. Now it says 3 important facts or statistics. We know statistics are numbers. So you can type those in here, find facts from the text. Your opinion from the article, do you believe that it is valid information or not valid information? And now you're going to find one opinion from the author and then your opinion about the article. Here you're going to write the central idea, what the text is about, and 3 supporting details. Here you're going to talk about the author's purpose. Was the author's purpose to inform, give us information, entertain, to make the story enjoyable, persuade, try to get us to agree with their opinion, explain, talk about what's happening and why it's happening, or describe using description words. And you're going to pick up one of these smiley faces and move it to whatever you believe. And you'll type in why you think so here. And which text structure was it written in? Now there's description, which is, the same as describing here, giving us lots of details, lots of facts. There's problem and solution, where you find a problem and the solution is the way that it's solved. There's order and sequence, certain steps. There's cause and effect, something that happens and a result of the cause, like Alexander rode his skateboard really, really fast down the road and he tripped. The cause is it's what he did. He rode his skateboard really, really quickly, and the effect, he tripped. And compare and contrast, talking about what's the same and what's different. Now you're going to pick one of those and you'll move the other smiley face there, and you're going to type in the box why you think that it is. Like, I think that it is cause and effect because, and it's not cause and effect, I'm just giving an example. And then you would restate your answer. All right, thank you guys. Bye.